In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your Roblox account on Discord using Rover. If this video does help you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more quick guides just like this. But if you want your Roblox account linked to Discord so you're automatically verified in servers, the first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is close out of Discord and open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, we're going to use Google Chrome, but you could use whatever you would like. Up at the top, go ahead and search for rover.link just like so and hit enter, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. What you're going to want to go ahead and do here is hit sign in up at the very top right and then hit login with Discord. It's going to load for a second and it's going to give this pop-up for you. Scroll down to the bottom and hit authorize just like so, and then it'll begin logging you in. And then from here, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is look near the top right close to this little profile icon right here and find this verification tab and select that. And you'll see a bunch of these checkboxes right here. You're going to have to go through and do every single one of these. You could check them off as you do them just so that you confirm that you kind of understand the process. So go through every single one of these and select them just like so, and then hit continue. And then from here, you're going to have a pop-up to log in with Roblox. Go ahead and select this pop-up just like so. It's going to automatically log into your Roblox account. Go ahead and hit continue and then hit confirm and give access down at the bottom. It's going to log in again, but that is it. Your Roblox account is now going to be verified with Discord through Rover. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe for even more videos like this. It really does help with the channel and we would greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.